Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Zero Waste Shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to refill my cleaning bottle.
You want to refill your cleaning bottle? Yes, we can do that here.
I not refill before.
You have not refilled before? No problem. Just give me your bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Refilling helps the planet.
I am happy to try.
That's great. Come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi, are you here for bird watching?
Yes, but I not have binoculars.
You don't have binoculars? No problem. We have some you can borrow.
Thank you. I not use binoculars before.
You have not used binoculars before? It's easy. Just look through and turn this wheel to focus.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy watching the birds.
I am excited to try.
That's great. Have fun today.
Hello.
Hi, do you want to refill your bottle?
Yes, but I'm not sure if water is clean.
You're not sure if the water is clean? Yes, the water here is filtered and safe to drink.
That is good. How I use the machine?
How do I use the machine? Just press the button and put your bottle under the top.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Stay healthy and drink clean water.
I am happy to know.
That's great. Have a nice day.
Hello.
Hi, are you here for the hiking group?
Yes, I want to know when is next hike.
You want to know when the next hike is? It's this Saturday at 9 a.m.
I not hike with group before.
You have not hiked with a group before. That's okay. We help new people.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. We are happy to have you join.
I am excited to go hiking.
That's great. See you on Saturday.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the community kitchen. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to share my recipe.
You want to share your recipe? That's great. We love new recipes here.
I not write recipe in English before.
You have not written a recipe in English before. No problem. I can help you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Sharing food is wonderful.
I am happy to share.
That's great. Everyone will enjoy your recipe.
Hello.
Hi, do you need help with the charger?
Yes, I not know how long to charge my car.
You don't know how long to charge your car? It usually takes about 1 hour for a full charge.
I never charge electric car before.
You have never charged an electric car before? No problem. It's easy. Just plug it in and wait.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy your drive.
I. Hello.
Hi, are you here for the book exchange?
Yes, I want leave a book here.
You want to leave a book here? Yes, you can put your book on the shelf.
You want to leave a book here.
Yes, you can put your book on the shelf. You have not left a book before? No problem. Just write your name in the notebook.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Sharing books is wonderful.
I am happy to share.
That's great. Take a new book if you like.
Hello.
Hi, do you want to use the photo booth?
Yes, I want print my photos.
You want to print your photos? Yes, you can do it here.
I not print photos before.
You have not printed photos before? No problem. Just put your USB or phone here.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Printing photos is easy.
I am happy to try.
That's great. Your photos will look nice.
Hello.
Hi. Are you here to use the fitness trail?
You don't know how to use the stations? No problem. Each station has a picture with instructions.
I not exercise here before.
You have not exercised here before? That's okay. Start slow and follow the pictures.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy your workout.
I am happy to try.
That's great. Have a healthy day.